Good morning, dear children. Welcome to today's class. Let us continue with our 14th chapter, Algebraic Formulae Expansion of Squares. Children, in the previous video, we have completed with practice set 50. Today, we are going to study expansion of a plus b, a minus b. Also, we will solve practice set 51. So, get ready with your textbook and notebook and take out page number 93. Let's learn expansion of a plus b, a minus b. Here we will see the product of a plus b and a minus b in algebraic manner. That is by multiplying a binomial by a binomial. We have already studied how to multiply binomial by a binomial. Here we will multiply the first term of first binomial with the second binomial. Then the sign that is given in the first binomial will be written in between, and then second term of first binomial will be multiplied with the second binomial. That is a into a minus b plus b into a minus b. Now here we got the form of monomial with binomial product. Now here we will multiply this monomial with both the terms of the binomial. That is, first we will multiply a with a, we will get a square, then minus a into b is ab, then plus b into a is ba, plus minus is minus b into b is b square. Now here if you look at these two middle terms, these have opposite signs. These are like terms ab and ab, but both the have opposite signs, so both the terms will get cancelled with each other. So you will get a square minus b square as the expansion of a plus b, a minus b. Now here we have seen the third formula, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now we will use this formula to solve the examples. So here this is the formula that we have learnt now. Let us use this formula for solving the examples. Here, first we will see the solved examples given below it. The first one is 3x plus 4y, 3x minus 4y. Here, if you look at both the binomials, here the first and second term of both the binomials is same, provided the sign between both of them is opposite. That is, here it is plus sign, here it is minus sign. So we will use the formula a square minus b square, that is first term square minus second term square. So here what is the first term? 3x. So we will write 3x whole square, then minus second term whole square, that is 4y whole square. Now 3x whole square is 3 3s are 9 x square. So the first term you will get in the expansion as 9x square minus 4y whole square, that is 4 square y square. 16, 4 square is 16, 16y square. Hence the expansion of 3x plus 4y and 3x minus 4y is 9x square minus 16y square. Now let us see another example. 102 multiplied by 98. So children, if you look at this example, here 102 is 100 plus 2, whereas 98 is 100 minus 2. So instead of multiplying both the numbers directly, here we will use the formula a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Now here we can see here a is 100 and b is 2. So 100 plus 2, 100 minus 2 will be equal to 100 square minus 2 square, that is first term square minus second term square. So square of 100 is 10,000, square of 2 is 4. So 10,000 minus 4 is 9,996. Now here we have completed with solved examples. Now we will start with practice set 51. First question, use the formula to multiply the following. Here first example, x plus y, x minus y. Now here we know the formula a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here x is written in place of a and y is written in place of b. So here we will apply the formula a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now here first term square, that is x square minus y square. Here x whole square is x square, y whole square is y square. Hence the expansion of x plus y, x minus y is x square minus y square. Now second example, 3x minus 5, 3x plus 5. Here in this example, a is 3x and b is 5. Therefore, we will write 3x in place of a and 5 in place of b. Therefore, first we will write the formula. It is known that a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now using this formula, we will expand the given numbers, given binomials. 3x minus 5, 3x plus 5. That is a square, that is 3x whole square minus 5 square. 3x whole square is 3 square x square. 3 square is 9, x square minus 5 square is 25. Hence, the answer is 9x square minus 25. Now, third example, a plus 6, a minus 6. Now, here in this example, again we will see it is of the form a plus b, a minus b. So, we will use the formula a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now, here a is a only and b is 6. So, we will write a in place of a and 6 in place of b. Here a plus 6, a minus 6 will be equal to a square, that is first term square, minus 6 square, that is second term square. A square is a square and 6 square is 36. Hence the answer is a square minus 36. Now fourth example, x upon 5 plus 6, x upon 5 minus 6. Again we can see here the first term is same and the second term is also same with opposite sign. Now, so we can use the formula a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now children, here a is x upon 5 and b is 6. So we will write here a square, that is x upon 5 whole square, minus b square, that is 6 square. X upon 5 whole square is x square upon 5 square, that is x square will remain as it is, upon 5 square is 25. So here we will get the first term as x square upon 25 minus 6 square, that is 36. Hence the answer is x square upon 25 minus 36. Children, here we have completed question number 1.